The moon, Earth's celestial companion, has captivated humanity for thousands of years. Its soft glow lights up the night, guiding us through darkness and inspiring countless myths and legends. From ancient civilizations to modern times, humans have given mystical powers to the moon, believing it influences everything from the tides to our emotions. Among these beliefs, the idea that the phases of the moon affect our sleep patterns stands out as a particularly enduring notion. This essay delves into the intriguing relationship between the phases of the moon and human sleep, exploring both historical beliefs and the latest scientific discoveries. Join me on this journey through scientific literature as we examine the evidence, proposed mechanisms, and the limitations of our current understanding. The belief that the moon influences our sleep is not a new idea. For centuries, people have observed the phases of the moon, attributing changes in their sleep patterns, moods, and behaviors to its celestial dance. Ancient civilizations, lacking modern technology, lived in greater harmony with the natural rhythms of the sun and moon. The word lunatic, derived from the Latin word for moon, reflects this ancient association between the full moon and erratic behavior. Folklore is full of stories of increased restlessness, sleeplessness, and even madness during the full moon. These ancient beliefs, passed down through generations, continue to shape our perception of the moon's power. While ancient beliefs provide a fascinating glimpse into our ancestors' relationship with the moon, modern science demands hard evidence. Studies exploring the moon's influence on sleep have yielded intriguing, though sometimes contradictory, results. Some studies suggest a correlation between specific lunar phases, particularly the full moon, and subtle changes in sleep architecture. These changes include a reduction in sleep duration, alterations in melatonin levels, and decreased sleep quality, often reported as difficulty falling asleep and restless nights. However, it's important to note that these effects were relatively small and not observed in everyone. The scientific community is actively investigating the potential mechanisms by which lunar phases could influence human sleep. One prominent hypothesis centers around the moon's gravitational pull. Another hypothesis focuses on moonlight. The increased brightness around the full moon might interfere with our internal biological clocks, known as circadian rhythms, which regulate our sleep-wake cycles. Additionally, the moon cycle could influence our production of melatonin, a hormone crucial for regulating sleep. While these hypotheses offer plausible explanations, it's essential to acknowledge that further research is needed to definitively confirm or refute these theories. While studies exploring the moon's influence on sleep provide intriguing information, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitations of current research. One significant limitation is the relatively small sample size of many studies. Larger-scale studies involving diverse populations are crucial to obtaining more robust and reliable data. Another challenge lies in controlling for confounding variables. Numerous factors influence our sleep, including stress levels, diet, exercise, and environmental factors like light and temperature. These limitations highlight the need for continued research with rigorous methodologies, larger sample sizes, and better control of confounding variables to understand the potential link between lunar phases and human sleep better. Despite centuries of fascination and growing scientific inquiry, the question of whether lunar phases truly influence our sleep remains unanswered. The evidence is mixed, with some studies suggesting a subtle correlation and others finding no statistically significant link. While some studies have reported changes in sleep duration, sleep quality, and melatonin levels around the full moon, these findings have not been consistently replicated across all research. The observed effects are often small, and it's unclear whether they are clinically significant or merely statistical anomalies. In essence, the current state of research does not provide definitive evidence to support the claim that lunar phases significantly impact human sleep. The enigmatic relationship between the moon and sleep continues to beckon scientific exploration. One crucial direction for future research is conducting large-scale, longitudinal studies that track sleep patterns across multiple lunar cycles. By gathering data over extended periods, researchers can gain a more comprehensive understanding of any potential correlation between lunar phases and sleep parameters. Additionally, incorporating objective sleep measures, such as polysomnography, is essential for obtaining accurate and reliable data. Exploring the potential mechanisms by which the moon might influence sleep also requires further investigation. By pursuing these research avenues with rigor and innovation, we can move closer to unraveling the mysteries of the moon's influence on human sleep. The moon, a celestial beacon in our night sky, has captivated the human imagination for millennia. While science has made significant strides in understanding sleep, the question of the moon's influence remains an enigma, a tantalizing puzzle awaiting a definitive solution. The current scientific evidence is inconclusive, offering glimpses of a possible connection, but lacking the robustness to draw definitive conclusions. The lack of a definitive answer does not diminish the importance of continued research. The moon's potential influence on sleep, however subtle, could hold implications for our understanding of human biology, behavior, and the intricate relationship between our bodies and the cosmos. As a sleep scientist, I am drawn to the mystery of the moon's influence on sleep, not only for its scientific intrigue, but also for its profound philosophical implications. The idea that our sleep, this most fundamental human experience, could be subtly orchestrated by the celestial dance of the moon resonates with a sense of wonder and interconnectedness. As we strive to unravel this mystery through the lens of science, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations of our current understanding. Whether future research confirms or refutes the moon's influence on sleep, the pursuit of this knowledge enriches our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. The quest for knowledge is not just about finding answers. It's also about embracing the unknown, asking thought-provoking questions, and appreciating the intricate beauty of the world around us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.